welcome to Fast Physics, and today we're going to be looking at Faraday's law. Now, last time we looked at Lenz's law, however Faraday's law is different. It states that the EMF is proportional to the rate of change of flux. So we can derive this and evidence it by imagining we've got a wire in a magnetic field. So the rectangular block is the wire, and as it moves through the magnetic field, it's going to have a velocity, and velocity is speed is distance divided by time. Therefore, distance is velocity times by time. So the area of the flux that therefore has been cut is equal to the length that it has gone in that time, times by the velocity, times by the change in time. So we know that flux is that's a change in our flux, and we also know that is our change in flux as well. So if we change our A here for the A here, we get now Faraday's law states that it's a change in flux, and because of that there's got to be a change in time. So if we get our Faraday's law, and now Faraday's law has a symbol of the EMF because it is talking about the EMF is proportional to rate of change of flux. Now, we've just said here that this is our symbol, and then we've also said here that this is our symbol. So we can substitute that in for this, which gives us so as you can see, we've got two like terms on the top and bottom, so we can get rid of these guys. So that gives us this. So this proves to us that our Faraday's law, or EMF, is proportional to the magnetic field, and it's also proportional to the area. So because of that, it's got to be proportional to our flux. So in an exam, you can be asked to either derive Faraday's law, or you can be asked to define Faraday's law, or give a definition. So this is our definition, this is how we can derive it. So just be very, very careful in your exam to know which it is wanting, so you don't end up giving the wrong thing. So here are the two laws you have to know, and this is the main difference between them. So with Lenz's law, the direction of induced EMF is to oppose the flux or the change in flux that's producing it. However, Faraday's law is this equation that you've just derived, and that shows that induced EMF is proportional to the rate of change of flux, or rate of change of flux linkage. So now you know the differences between the two. Hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye!